could possibly give us as our aid in participating in the RSPC is our transportation for our rides, going to Zamboanga, vice versa, and also our registration fee. So, meaning, meron talagang bad effect na kapag madami, masaya kasi maraming mag-participate. Pero the burden would be how to raise the money and where to get the enough amount of money to defray all possible expenses. Okay? So another thing is we also have this kind of struggle because the competition of the NSQ as well as the schedule for the competition of the RSPC is actually too close, no? So many of our participating contestants for the RSPC are not around this time. They're also having competition in Baguio City, and that is why we also have this kind of problem as to how are we going to have the intensive training for those participants who are not around. Especially so with the team competitions wherein if one would not be around, it would really affect the whole team. But as coach, I have to find ways in order not to make the team, say, ma-paralyze yung team natin dahil wala ang isa. So as a coach, you have to be, resourceful in coming up with a solution not to affect the whole team. Okay, so another problem also is because our participants had spent a lot of days preparing for the recently concluded the SPC. They missed a lot of their classes, they missed a lot of their school activities, and they have to run after one another to comply all those requirements. So the focus of the students this time are actually divided. No? How are they going to hit their deadlines also in the submission of all those activities that they missed during the DSPC and the enhancement activities. So that is also one of the problems of our participants this time, that they could hardly have their focus, their 101% focus for the competition because they still have to rush in order to comply all the things that they missed during the competition and the enhancement activities. So as campus journalists, you really have to be very good in managing your time because you cannot just afford to sacrifice either sacrificing your academics or sacrificing your will and your ambition to make it during the RSPC. So time management therefore is very important for you this time. It's a very critical word for you to comply at this point in time in order to make it still in the RSPC despite all the problems that you're actually struggling this time. So any concern now that you would be soon leaving for the competition? Any concerns that would you like to raise? How was the enhancement, the 2-day enhancement activities initiated by the division, by the Pagayan City Division? Do you believe that all the activities were good enough? That you can finally say now that you are very much ready for the competition, or you think you still need a lot? Balina ako nila mo tanaw. Uy, dili maulaw. Sa actual kinanglan, active dayon. Sa tanan ni istorya sa speaker, naaday follow up.
Paano naman yung mga students na
Yeah, you are students. You are writers actually. Uy, enough na ba na nga isulat ninyo? Different angles pa pang inyong kwan. Also sa feature. Dagan ba akong na-touch dito, di ba?
Yes, ma'am. Mga
life
balance,
of a campus journalist, so on
ang
and so
pagbalance,
time management. Then one thing more also, we're always envious with the Zamboanga del Sur division because they always have that financial support from the DepEd, Zambuzor DepEd. Unlike in our city we're in, we are not actually given any single amount. It's just a help for every contestant for the RSPC. It's been also a problem in our city that we do not actually receive any financial support when it comes to campus journalism. Unlike when it comes to sports, wherein we all have the full support from the city. So since election time is coming, we cannot also have that kind of soliciting to the politicians, because as a teacher we have to be very careful because we should not be taking sides, right? But we cannot also avoid that when you ask for something, there might be something in return. So what we have to do now, just like in our school, in the reflections, we did try to initiate some moves like doing solicitations from our friends, family friends, ninangs and ninongs, okay? So that's the one of the best solutions that we think that it could also help us.
Question, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
You mentioned earlier, ma'am, na ideally pa na makasolicit sa city magkailan ng election. But how was the NSQ participants able to solicit from the city na school lang ilang idalang ang pangalan?
Actually, it's not that we could not solicit, but when we are going to compare that one with other divisions, they always have the budget from the city. There's no need for them to go there and ask like beggars for a little amount, no? Okay, in the province, say in the province of Zamboanga del Sur, actually they have 1 million pesos just for campus journalism activity, given by the LGU also. But in our city, we do not experience that one. We tried actually to give solicitations, but until this time, we have not received any positive feedback yet, right, Ryan? But just like the NSQ, it's not yet confirmed if it's really true that their transportation, their airfare, round trip airfare was actually were actually shouldered by the city. It's not yet confirmed. I just need some evidence, some proof to justify that. Because if the NSQ participants were able to do that, then there's no reason at all that we could not do that. But I think time is so limited already. You know what, when you ask for government funds, it needs a lot of process, right? Because that would be liquidated because it's people's money, not the politicians' money. So in terms of our preparation for the upcoming RSPC, look at this one. Only very few are here. Others come very late. They're not that serious anymore. They are not that serious actually. Actually, the letter there, as you mentioned that we would be having our intensive. The term intensive means serious, right? But as you can see, only very few are here now. Aside from those who are having their NSQ competition in Baguio. So if this would continue until Friday, then we could have very little chance to make it for the RSPC. Because in every competition, preparedness is always the key. You could never have self-confidence if you yourself know pretty well that you have no preparation at all. No matter how good you are, no matter how brilliant you are, if you are not prepared to combat for any competition, then that prowess of you would not excel during competition.